Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create high ROI advertising campaigns, full tutorial step by step clearly. Understanding your target audience is essential for creating effective advertising campaigns. Start by conducting market research to gather valuable insights about their preferences and behaviors. Identify key demographics such as age, gender, location, and interests. Next, set clear objectives for your advertising campaign. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boosting sales. Once you have your goals, choose the right advertising platform. Consider where your audience spends their time online, such as social media, search engines, or websites. Now, it's time to create compelling ad content. Craft a strong message that resonates with your audience's needs and desires. Incorporate eye-catching visuals that align with your brand identity. After developing your content, set a budget for your campaign. Decide how much you're willing to invest and choose a bidding strategy, whether cost per click, cost per impression, or cost per acquisition. With a budget in place, select your targeting options on the chosen platform. Utilize options such as geographic location, interests, behaviors, and custom audience lists. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance closely. Use analytics tools to track key performance indicators such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. If you notice areas for improvement, make data-driven adjustments to your campaign. Test different ad formats, headlines, or visuals to see what resonates best with your audience. After the campaign concludes, analyze the overall results. Evaluate whether you met your initial objectives and calculate your return on investment. Use these insights to refine future campaigns for even better results. By following these steps, you can create high ROI advertising campaigns tailored to your business goals and audience needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.